Hi, let us discuss decision tree model. Decision tree is a tree-like model of decision and their possible consequence. It is one of the excellent machine learning model where we can visualize how the data are classified in the sequence on what date performance basis. The performance measure or objective function of the decision tree construction is Gini index. This Gini index value is calculated on the data set iteratively based on the value of Gini index. The data are classified into multiple classes. The Gini index is nothing but some probability measure for each category of classes on the data set. In our environment, the R part library has this decision tree model. So we have to load this library using library command, and we can construct the model using rpart command. So here we want to classify the species type based on sepal length, sepal width, fetal length, and fetal width on data set of iris. That is what we are supplying as argument for this rpart command. So feces classification is function of sepal length, sepal width, fetal width on data set of iris. That is what we are giving. And we want to plot the result of this model, decision tree model. For that, we can use rpart.plot command where you can use the class subfunction rpart.plot, the model whatever you have constructed. Let us explore this command response in our environment. So this is the response. We are loading our part library and we are constructing the model and we are plotting the model. So you can get this response. As the original data set has three classes, Setosa, Versicolor, Virginica. These three classes are done as sequence manner under decision tree construction. So first it tries to find out the data type is Setosa. It is getting the Gini index value of equally probably. So it is in confusion. Then it's come to know that whether the petal length is less than 2.1 or not. This question is analyzed by the decision tree construction algorithm. If it is yes, the data are classified as a Setosa class. You can see under this the Gini index values are given here. The Setosa for the Setosa class, the Gini index values are 1, and for all other two classes 0 0. So 33% of those data are classified here. If the petal length is not less than 2.5, it could be either versicolor or virginica data type or flower type. So first we are analyzing it is versicolor or not. We got 50% of probability of both the type. Then the analysis results reveal that if the fetal length is less than 1.8, the flower could be versicolor, else the flower could be virginica. So again you can see that Gini index value of the three classes under versicolor when you are doing this analysis, it is 9.1, 0.991, whereas here the third category class only 0.98. Others Gini index values are less.